5,720 feet up. Welcome to Goat Peak. New cabins we haven't found yet. Old cooking stove.
What?
Old cooking stove.
Huh.
Looks like it's extra flat from the last storm. Yeah, this one's a bit squished. This must have been a mess hall. It's huge. Or a bunkhouse?
Bunkhouse, maybe.
I don't see any garbage or anything around here.
No.
What's inside? That's a big old rat's nest, though.
Jeez.
Always a rat's nest. Want to look at the rat's nest?
No.
It's huge. It's a big one. All these trees are brand new.
Yeah, they're all.
That storm that came through here must have been intense. And away we go. Well, we're going from here to up there. Shouldn't be too far, I hope. This is the first time, I know, this is the first time we've been up here to Goat Peak. And there's a bit of a hike involved. Should be a good one. Somebody used to walk to work like this. Another fresh tree fall. These trucks are way down there. We're doing great. You know, it's kind of like, you know, finding the gold at the end of the rainbow. Except there's a beer. Nice views up here. We're mountain goating. Look at the view though. Beautiful. These rock faces are cool. There's the top.
I see the top.
Yeah, see, it's right there. We're here. Yeah, there it is. Goat fire lookout. Spiderweb. Wicked. Oh, look at the views up here. Beautiful. Wow. Thanks, man.
So we made it up to Ghost Peak. We've been wanting to come here for, oh, so long now. So cool. Look at the view. Oh my goodness, it's amazing. You can see Big White in the distance over there behind Dan. The kids are down there taking selfies. We just took the storm windows off because they were all on. And it is very, very cool inside. It was built in 1946. Yeah, we'll put the storm windows back on when we leave for sure. But look at this, so awesome. Old stove. And this is what I believe is called an Adelaide. It's got the map and the compass and everything on it. And apparently way over here, you can actually see all the way over to Roderick Dew Fire Lookout. We were there last year, actually in the summer, with Austin. The view's just absolutely amazing. So cool. They got all the old records. That one's from '94. Haven't gone through a lot of them yet. Logbook in here for everybody that comes in. We left our little note in there that we were up here today. No signs of rodents in here. Apparently there was somebody here just a few days ago. Swept it out and cleaned it up. Oh, this is just, the view is amazing. I just can't get over it. A little afraid to check out the outhouse, but there is one. Oh, look at this. So awesome. Well, we're gonna go and explore a little bit more around here.
A little wander down here. Somebody said there was a small bridge. I'm gonna go see what that is. I'm pretty sure I remember seeing a platform of some sort. You can look over the valley. Wow, that sure is nice. Oh, there it is. That's the platform down there. I wonder what this is for. This tower is pretty cool. Built in 1946. Absolutely amazing. I love this so much. It's so cool up here. And it really wasn't that bad of a walk. It only took us about 15 minutes from where we parked. So pretty easy. Oh, I think I deserve a cold beer. Anybody else?